Unlock your inner artist and dive into the incredible world of AI-generated visuals, all without spending a dime. Let's get started by heading over to the Leonardo AI website. You'll find a prominent Sign Up button that's your gateway to all the creative magic. Click on Sign Up, and you'll be presented with a simple form. Just enter your email address and choose a secure password. It's that easy to create your free account. Once logged in, you'll land on your personal dashboard. Look for the Image Generation button, A circumflex euros. This is where the art happens. In the prompt area, describe the image you envision. Be as creative as you like. For instance, you could type, "A majestic dragon soaring over a neon cityscape." You can also specify what you don't want to see by using the negative prompt. This helps refine your results. So you might add blurry, low resolution here. Leonardo AI offers various pre-trained models. Experiment with them to see how they influence the style of your art. Each one brings a unique artistic flavor. Before you hit generate, notice your daily credit count. Free users get a set amount of credits each day to create. Click generate and watch as the AI brings your description to life. This process might take a few moments. Voil a tilde. Here are your AI-generated masterpieces. You can download them, explore variations, or use them as inspiration for your next creation. Download your creations to share or integrate into your projects. The free tier is fantastic for personal exploration and experimentation. So start generating, experimenting, and discover the endless creative possibilities with Leonardo AI's free features today.